Got the wind knocked out of you?
Yeah.
You landed pretty good there. Anything serious or just the wind?
Just the wind.
Yeah. Just breathe. That didn't work out as planned, huh?
No.